Hi, today in front of me OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So open first Settings application, then scroll down to the System Settings and tap to Screen Recording. Here you'll see Sound section. So just to record system sound, you should click to the switcher to turn it off. You should also use the switcher by the same way as the microphone option. To comment something, you should click on the switcher. You could also use these two options together or separately, and when you turn it off, you will record only the mute videos. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just first open Control Panel. And in my case, I just added before the screen recording icon here. You just should open the edit icon. You'll find somewhere here screen recording icon. Just hold it, drag it to your panel, click to go back to save the changes, and after that you could use screen recording from the control panel by press and hold the power key. So press and hold this icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.